Hello, this is the part 2 of the CP2 MC, okay? 2012 MC DSE, okay? Which of the following correctly describe the vegetation of the water cycle? It can increase the atmospheric humidity, just like, if we are having more trees, more infiltration, more interception, and more transpiration. Okay, but although transpiration is not really going to hold the humidity, but somehow it's going to emit the moisture in the relatively closer to the ground area, then A is correct. Okay, increasing atmospheric humidity. Okay, more water is returned to the atmosphere, which can increase the atmospheric humidity. Okay, so number 1A or right here is C. Okay, is correct. Okay, number 2, MC. Okay, this is waterfall, and then what is correct? Which of the following statement are incorrect? Sorry. Okay, hydraulic action is prominent. Okay, if we are talking about erosion, bear in mind hydraulic action is also existing. Okay, deposition does not occur, is still occurring. Okay, if we are not having enough discharge, very tricky. This one, be careful. Number C is right, and then number D, you should know waterfall is in the upper course of the river, okay? And then the major fuel process is vertical erosion, okay? 你一定要有 vertical erosion, it have to having the vertical erosion in order to make the waterfall happen, right? So relatively number B is a bit in doubt, okay? So you better choose B, okay? 好難直接揀嘅，有時候我知道係 OK it's hard to very give you going to choose very firmly or without doubt. Okay, somehow you have to choose the more doubting answer to be the answer of incorrect. Okay, now right here again is about water cycle. More rainfall, it should be more erosion, right? But deposition should be lower. 咁 A 唔啱啦。Okay, then rainfall increase, erosion decrease 呢個都唔啱啦。Okay. 咁呢個其實都唔啱嘅。Okay, this one B and C is not correct because they are in a positive correlation for the amount of rainfall and erosion. Okay, then deposition decrease 啦。Okay, 咁number A, B, C is not right. Okay, because first one deposition is not right because rainfall increase, deposition will be reduced. Okay, because the stronger discharge. Okay, and then B. 呢兩個根本錯晒㗎啦 ，OK？ It doesn't match for the rainfall and erosion. OK, this two is already wrong for BC. OK, it should be direct proportion 㗎嘛。OK, then number D is right. OK, fewer rainfall, fewer erosion, and then finally we are having more discharge since the discharge is fewer 啊嘛。OK, then right here you can see this one is stack 啦 and then this one is beach 啦 and then X definitely erosional landfall. Y definitely which is the deposition landfall. Erosional landfall, is it having higher energy concentration? Yes. And then lower concentration for the landfall. Y also yes. So it make up of the deposition. Okay. Lastly, okay, located in the exposure headland. Okay, this is a headland. Okay, 突出嚟㗎嘛. And then Y is the concave shallow bay. Okay, while the landform X is in a convex headland. Okay, so accordingly, 1, 2, 3 are both correct. Okay, this one is gabion. You can see right here. I know it's quite dark for here, but you can see right here. There's some cage along with the rock. Then this is gabion, Gabion. Okay, hostility, right? And then somehow it is really going to reduce the wave energy. Okay, but the construction cost of this strategy is relatively lower than the seawall, breakwater, this kind of stuff. Okay, then A, it should be A. Okay, number 3. Okay, this one, river segment is upper cost and B is lower cost. Discharge smaller and then 匯川成河 all the distributaries are joining together and all the discharge is joining together. So river segment B is larger, right? Okay, velocity A is 成日都問呢個㗎 be careful, this one is always the tricky point. Okay, bear in mind upper cost is having lower velocity. Okay, lower cost is having higher velocity. Number 2 is wrong. Okay, accordingly number 3 is also wrong. Okay, because the velocity means the discharge is higher, then it should be more. But Since number 2 is wrong, number 3 is also wrong. Okay, upper course we have high velocity. Okay, won't have high in velocity and also not having more energy. So number 1 is the only thing is correct. Okay, number 7. Okay, this is the bright stream. Okay, bright stream. Okay, 邊撞號啊 Okay, then what are the conditions that give rise to these fuel features? First of all, shallow channel, right? Okay, because it have to be very shallow in order to let the sediment accumulate on the riverbed. Okay, so number 1 is correct. Abundant sediment also true lah. Okay, short weather parameter. What is weather parameter? Okay, it's not right. Okay, weather parameter talking about wait a minute. Let me come on. Give me a diagram. Okay, now short weather parameter is talking about this. Okay, while long weather parameter is talking about this. Okay, then it is narrower and deeper. Okay, if we are talking about long weather parameter, okay, then it's not happening. Okay, so somehow bear in mind, shallow channel is somewhat alike with the shorter. Sorry, one more time. I mix it up. Okay, shallow channel is talking about this one, and the weather parameter is long. Okay, 因為兩邊加埋，再加埋個長度。Okay, the depth and also the width is very long. Okay, but for here, if we going to divide the depth with the width, okay, then is you are going to give a very short. Okay, 咁所以咧short weather parameter 咧 refer to this one. Okay, but it's not happening for here, right? Okay, this one is long weather parameter. Okay, then 呢個係 long 啊嘛，呢個係 short 啊嘛咁所以咧就1、2先啱嘅。Okay, C. Okay, number 8 and human activities that give rise in the river basin and their consequence are correctly matched. Increased reforested area, discharge reduced. True lah, okay, because more water and also more sediment can be grabbed. Dragging of the river channel, speed of the channel flow is increased. Okay, dragging means making the river channel become deeper. So there are fewer obstacles, and then the speed of the channel flow will be increased. Okay, building dams and reservoirs. Okay, the sediment behind the dam will be also increased. So it's also right because all the sediment is blocked behind the dam. So number 1, 2, 3 is correct. Number 1, 2, 3 is both correct. Okay, which of the following statement about sand speeds are correct? It's formed by longshore drift. Speed 永遠係永遠都係 deposition 嘅 it's all about deposition. So deposition is gonna be having a longshore drift. Okay, between two islands, not right because it's about tombolo. Speed may be just a tip. Okay, then offshore gradient are gentle. This is right. Okay, because if the offshore gradient is gentle and it can give rise to the deposition landfall. Okay, so number 1 and 3 only. Okay, number 10. This one stack lah. Okay, can you see a sea arch right here? Okay, this one is the stack tombolo. Can you see it lah? It's a bit tricky. Some of them I'll think this one is the tombolo. Sorry lah. Okay, because it's not really tombolo because they are not really joining together, and also it's a headland. Come on. Okay, so number 1 and 2 is not correct. Okay, this is the end of the part 2.